trying to save a little. Well, not necessarily okay, but it was done.
Yeah.
Hey, sweetie.
Very good. We have a Cooper's hawk on the on a tree at the back area of Alviso Adobe Park. So we may not see many songbirds in the back area this morning. Oh, you gonna turn around? We have a red-tailed hawk on one of the redwood trees that is west of the Poppy Lane condo areas. As it's back to us. And it's up there. Luffy's making her way back from Rebecca's by way of the fence top. Come on, Fluffy. Fluffy! Do you know, I go to the ground cover area. Cat treats her down. Jay put down the remaining dry cat food. Probably also the canned cat food since Collie was not around today. Good morning. This is one of two red-tailed hawks that flew from the west towards the eastern hillside, and this one landed on a palm tree that's in the backyard at the Last Word Ranch. Has its back to us, so not really exciting, but thought I would at least do a very brief video. And it's over there. We have both of the red-tailed hawks on that palm tree now. One's facing us, and the one that I had done a video on earlier still has his back to us. Excellent. We watched them flying in from the west over to the Last Word Ranch area. Totally cool. Most likely a mated pair. I would say the one that's facing us is the female. She looks a little bigger. there. We're waiting for Sonny to, yep, didn't have to wait long to fly down and take a worm. What you gonna do with it?